blood type.
My
calculator.
All right.
Oh, what am I? Oh, no, question. It's into my math-101 course. Yeah, I got it by 221. I'm sorry, I'll go.
So did everybody get the prep work done for today for this assignment?
The proper what?
Did you get the group work, not the group work, the prep work done?
Yes.
For this section?
Yes.
I know we had a little confusion last time.
Yeah, I got the prep work done.
Okay, let's see. Week 3. Okay. And did you have any specific questions on any of the topics that were discussed in the reading or anything so far?
For me, just when the teacher was explaining how to come up with the mean, didn't make sense to me. Because he would say, you know, if you wanted to figure out what color M&M was in the bag or whatever, he would say, okay, the answer is 0.20, and I'm like, well, how did you come up with that? So he didn't really explain how he got to that answer.
So how to find the mean, kind of like what we were talking about last week?
Yep. So when I watched his little video, I was like, okay, you showed us what the answer is, but how did you get to that answer?
Mm-hmm. So are you talking more about last week's lesson then, lesson 3, when we were talking about like mean, median, mode, all of those concepts?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Or are you talking about in this section when it's talking about the mean of the discrete random variable? Do you have a question?
Oh, is that me? Sorry. No, sorry. I clicked on the Adobe Connect video. The teacher teaching. It started doing his voice, so I exited out of it really quick because I didn't want to.
Okay.
That's my bad.
No, you're fine. I'm just trying to find the right section of notes. Did you have, so on the prep assignments, were you able to figure out questions 5 and 6 then, Gina?
Yeah, that part was easy. It was more the probably the easier questions I had problems on. Not the difficult ones. It was the easy ones.
Okay.
But that was I did all that. I think I
Okay.
need to go back and review again some of the videos again.
Okay. And Nelson, did you have any questions on any of the prep assignments that we had?
Not really.
No, it's kind of simple, kind of basic what we're still going over.
I'm not a fan of iLearn 3.0. Weird to get around.
It's growing on me. I'm just having trouble because 2 of my classes are on the new iLearn and 1 of my classes is still on Brain Honey.
Yep.
So finding all of your assignments at the same time is a little more difficult.
Yep. Yeah, I'm having the same problem. I've got that split as well. You got to remember to like look at both, otherwise you're gonna miss the thing.
Completely forget about a class.
Yeah.
Right. So if no one has any questions, did you have any? I'm just trying to think. If anybody? Okay, I do have a question actually. So for the prep assignment, in the part 1, it asked us to define what discrete random variable means. And I really didn't quite get what it was from the reading.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't either. Actually, I didn't get the whole, the rules of probability, the 3 rules, went way over my head.
Okay. So do you want to go?
I had to go watch some videos to understand it.
You know, actually, I've got a good idea. If I'm actually a campus student here at BYUI, what I could do is you can actually get tutors here on campus. And they do not charge for it; it's free. And you can schedule a meeting with them. What I could do is I could schedule like our meeting time, and when I go to the tutoring center, so we'll have a tutor there. Yeah, we can use them to answer our questions. Because I know with it being an online class, like there's those challenges where you're you're going to come across like this, for example.
Yeah.
And, we can have that tutor help us out.
That would be
kind
helpful.
of understand a little bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, she'll use our resources. So, yeah, I understand like the discrete random variable. Like I understand like that. I just use Google and I just Google
Yeah.
definitions. Yeah.
But for Gina, for your question, so when it's talking about the 3 rules of probability, so the basics of it is, so like the first one is the probability that an event is going to happen between 0 and 1. So it's either going to happen or because it can't be negative. So it has to be between 0 and 1. And when because you know how it shows you like the sets of data and it all has to add up to like 100% in the end for all the options.
Right.
So think of the 1 as like 100%.
Okay.
So it's between 0 and 100% that it's going to happen.
Okay.
Because it can't be negative. And then, yeah, so again, and the second rule is saying when you list all the outcomes, they're going to equal to 1, so 100%.
Yeah. Okay. And then you minus the 1.
Yeah, so the probability that it won't happen is 100 minus whatever the probability you got that it would happen.
Right.
So that's kind of the simple way around it. Does that make any more sense?
Yeah. More.
All right.
I'm on the, what am I on? The group meeting homework.
Okay. All right.
Dad, or are you just at the page?
Sorry, say that again.
Oh, Gina, did you start the quiz yet, or are you at the page with the start quiz button?
No, I just opened it up.
Okay. So, let me really fast. So, did we have any more questions on like the prep or any of that, or the chapter that we read?
No.
You're doing okay.
Okay.